consolation, Daddy. Daddy, let me bring consolation. You told me that that place is a beautiful place. That the angels are waiting for you. Daddy, I salute to the army of Christ. Daddy, I greet you. The soldier of the Most High God. Daddy, my everything. My love, my one and only. It can only be you, Daddy. Daddy, oh.